here. I know many of you are going to be watching this on replay. I got my coffee and I am here a little bit later than normal, but I want to hit on some topics that is important because on Monday, just in a few days from now, today is Friday. This is Business Combos and Coffee for those of you who don't know, and I'm Spiceda Jackson, the accountant that you love. I'm here to tell you guys a couple of things. Today, what we're going to talk about is the tax extension, that the tax deadline that's coming up. You can get more time. You can get 6 more months to file your taxes, which is until October 15th. And I'm going to talk to you today about some of the things that you can do. Also, I've been getting a lot of questions about the tax refund that all Georgians are getting that Governor Kemp has talked about. I've read up on that. I want to give you guys some tips on that. So this is what we're going to do today. So if you're watching, stay tuned. If you want to know what to do, how to file a tax extension, we can help you what to do with this refund, what's coming up with the refund. If you live in Georgia, if the refund applies to you, how do you get the refund and what to do, okay? Right after this intro. All right, so let's first talk about the tax refund because I know so many people are anxious about that. So yes, yet another politician, our Governor Kemp here in the state of Georgia, is giving out free money. Okay, and tax refunds is free money when it's not an overpayment. Okay, he's giving all Georgians free money. That money may not come to you and will not come to you when you file your taxes today. So if you file your taxes today, you can mention it to your accountant. It is not going to be added to your Georgia tax refund. But let me first tell you what it is. It's $250 refund for those of you that are single filers, right? Married filing, separate, or if you're just single. Now, if you're single but you're classified as head of household, that means you have a dependent. The refund for you is $375. The refund for married couples is $500. Okay, so those are the amounts of the refund that that the governor is handing out. You know, it is an election year, and good old Stacey Abrams is running, so we got to kind of make this thing more competitive. So the governor is handing out refunds. So you get a refund, you get a refund, you get a refund. All Georgians are getting refunds that have done this. You have to have filed your 2020 and your 2021 tax return. A lot of people haven't filed their 2021 tax return because for some reason people are just booked and busy and just haven't filed their taxes yet. And it's okay because like I said at the top, you can get an extension of time. You can get 6 more months to file your taxes. Just get an extension. All you have to do is go to accountantthisway.com. Let me see if I have that down here for you guys. You just go to accountantthisway.com so that you don't have to file your taxes late, and it will give you until October 15th to file the taxes. Now, you don't have until October 15th to pay what's the amount due. The amount due is due right now. Is due by April 18th. If you can't pay it, then you can't pay it. They're just going to tack on interest and penalties, okay? But for those Georgians who out there who want to make sure that you get the refund, it's probably going to get mailed to you, okay, once you file your 2021 taxes. But if you want to take advantage of the refund, file your 2020 and 2021 taxes, okay? I wouldn't be rushing to file my taxes if I haven't already captured all my deductions and make sure that I got to the right taxable income. If you want to make sure you got to the right taxable income, we are here to help with that too. Because if you missed my Pocket More Profit Bootcamp, which was just the other day, you can catch the replay. The replay will be available on Sunday. You have to register. The boot camp was free for all of my clients. Y'all missed it. Y'all missed the free version. It is, you can now get access to the boot camp, which was great. I talked about how to lower your taxes, why you owe, how to fix that, what a tax certificate is, how you could give that. And this was for W-2s. So if you W-2 yourself through your business, you got a friend that W-2 and they don't know what to do because they keep owing on their taxes, have them get the replay of the Pocket More Profit Bootcamp. I talk about how to make sure that you're not overpaying in taxes, knowing what your tax burdens are. Burdens. I got on my pink today. I laid my burdens down for AKA. I don't want to digress on that, but hi to all my sorors out there here in Atlanta. Y'all, I'm right by the airport. Come and see me. A lot of AKAs are here for the South Atlantic Regional Conference. Hey, out there to all my sorors out there. Y'all make sure y'all file your extension. If you need help with the extension, go to accountantthisway.com. I have the free downloadable version of the extension available for you guys. And if you want our help and to get started with us, we want you to first file that extension, okay? And then come and work with us, but it will be $150 for the extension this year, so that you could go ahead and get started. We will file that extension for you, e-file it, make sure we get it in by April 15th, but don't be sending us extensions at 11 o'clock on April 18th, 11 p.m. We want all extensions by Monday morning on April 18th so that my team can be running those extensions and getting them in for you guys, giving you guys 6 more months to file your taxes. All right. For those of you who don't know, and I'm going to say it again, the tax deadline is April 18th, 2022. And I want to help you make sure that you are pocketing more profit and not wasting your money on penalties. Okay. So this is what you need to do if you want to file an extension. Okay. Number 1, file the extension. Number 2, go to your e-services account. I talk about e-services account. The e-services account is at irs.gov. Okay, www.irs.gov. If you haven't filed your 2020 taxes, you can go to irs.gov and pull your wage and income transcript. Okay, provide that to your accountant. Hopefully it's me. And we can look there, get all the tax documents there. Let's say you lost your tax documents. What the wage and income transcript shows you is everything that was filed under your Social Security number. It's not anything that was filed under your business tax ID number, but it's everything that was filed under your Social Security number. You get that, we can help you get your taxes done. Okay. We also, like I said, can give you that 6-month extension if you are a business owner. What I would like you to do is do what I call expeditious books, okay? Add up all your income for the year. Go into your Shopify, go to your PayPal, find out how much you spent. And if you already know your margins and your AP and your KPIs, that's your key performance metrics of your business. If you know that you spend 80 cents to make $1, then I would take 20% of my revenue and say that is my profit. Then you take your profit, multiply that by your income tax rate. If you only make $50,000, your income tax rate is 12%. Plus what you're going to get assessed for the employment tax. So let's say you take your profit, multiply that by 27% or 25%, right? And that is what your tax liability is likely going to be. Okay, it's very easy, guys, to come up with these numbers. It's just knowing what the tax deductions are and tracking those tax deductions. That is what is important. Knowing what your personal deductions are, knowing what your business tax deductions are. That is the key to lowering your taxes. I'm giving y'all the keys to the game here. Okay, I want you guys to pocket more profit and win. Join my Pocket More Profit Bootcamp, okay? File that extension. Go to Accountant This Way. Listen to me when I say this to you. Do not miss this tax deadline. Give yourself 6 more months to file, okay? Get to your number. Know what your tax liability was on the earnings that you made in 2021. Don't profit alone. Don't profit and act like you're surprised that you get a tax bill. Don't be out here making money and say, oh my God, I made so much money this year, and you're happy that you're making money. But when you get assessed the HOA fee of the government, which is what is called income taxes, that is what we pay for living in this country. That is what we pay for the freedoms that we enjoy, right? That is what we pay for the schools that our kids go to when they get to go for free, if you're lucky, right? That's what we pay to walk, to go on good roads, to have good running water into our homes. All of these things are infrastructure that goes into our country, and it is common infrastructure across the country. That's what taxes are, guys. Okay, so if you made money, then you're going to get assessed the tax based on the income tax rate that you're in. Okay, if you didn't make money, prove it, and then you don't have to pay taxes. So that's what I got to say. That's the facts of the matter, guys. I think that I've covered what I wanted to cover for today. If you want to work with me and my team of the accountants you love, then make sure you start with an extension. We are filing extensions all weekend long. Okay. Let me say that again. We are filing extensions all weekend long. So if you are a client and you have not finished your taxes, then, or you haven't come, you haven't sent your documents in, you haven't responded to the emails that we've been sending y'all, go ahead and start an accountant this way. Don't be inboxing me to be like, oh, I need an extension. Go on in and file your extension. www.accountantthisway.com. It's the same cost that it is to get started with your taxes. If you don't want to pay the cost, download the extension, mail it in. Okay? I am here for you guys. I love y'all. Let me say that again. I love y'all. And I want you to grow to your unlimited life. Grow to your unlimited life because you deserve it. Your family deserves it. Okay? Y'all, have your friends like and subscribe to my channel. Don't Profit Alone. Here's a subscribe button. You can click that button or go to the link if you're on YouTube to join me. You can also make sure that you get that boot camp replay. I've already talked about that. And it's important to know your numbers, y'all. Let's have fun. Keep working with us. And I love y'all. Until next time, don't forget to move your profit in the right direction. And that's up. Bye. Let me see if I have any questions in the chat. I'm sorry, before I go. Did y'all have any questions for me in the chat? All right. I don't see any questions. If y'all have any questions, put them down in the comment section. Me or somebody on my team will be able to check it. We are booked and busy this weekend, but we're never too busy for you. So get with us and go to the link and get started. Bye.